Okay, now let's do ratio. Okay, we have two fractions expressed in the ratio form. So here we want to actually find the ratio of these two numbers in its simplest form. So we always want to deal with integers. So in order to make both of them integers, we have to make sure that they are of the same denominator first. So here I need to multiply by 3 at the denominator and numerator to become 3 over 6. Okay, so since both fractions are out of 6, okay, we know that we can actually compare the numerator directly by 3 parts is to 5 parts. So that's the final answer for part A. Okay, for part B, okay, we are comparing two quantities in different units. So we have to first make sure that they are of the same units first. So since we know that 1 kg is 1000 grams, okay, so 2.5 kg will be 2.5 times 1000, which will give us 2500 grams. So now we know that it's actually 750 is to 2500 grams. Okay, since we are comparing ratio, okay, ratio has no units, so there's no need for us to put the units there. Okay, then now we will simplify. Divide by 10 on both sides. Divide by 25 on both sides. That gives me a 3. And that gives me a 10. So the simplest form would be 3 is to 10. Okay, for part C. Okay, we want to compare the ratio of 3 different quantities. Okay, so here we are given that the ratio of A is to B is 2 is to 3 and B is to C is 4 is to 5. Okay, in order to compare all 3 of them, we need to make sure that the middle quantity that overlaps must be of the same units. So here, if we look at the LCM between 3 and 4, the lowest common multiple is actually 12. So I have to multiply 4 to make this 12. Okay, since I multiply 4 on the right hand side, I should do the same for the left hand side as well. Okay, now to make 4 into 12, we have to multiply by 3. So since I've multiplied this on the left hand side by 3, I should do that on the right as well. Okay, now, okay, let's simplify the quantity. 2 times 4, that's a 8. Okay, 3 times 4 or 4 times 3, that's a 12. And then 5 times 3, that's a 15. So that's the final ratio between the 3 quantities.